there should be set requirements for how psilocybin is produced by a licensed holder in accordance with good production practices. And so some of the outlying requirements for productions here may be things like sanitary conditions, acceptable levels of psilocybin or contaminants, and all of this is for the consumer's protection. So Jim, the reason I wanted to come back to you here is I know that we've had many conversations with patients, and just about, or in fact, every single person who's had a Section 56 exemption up until now has been forced to purchase psilocybin from the black market or gray market. How important do you think it is to make sure that we do have psilocybin that's following good production practices, and how important to a government and Health Canada should that be?
This is like food safety regulations. This is making sure that when you, as someone who is, going down this journey, can know that you're perfectly safe in what you're buying, and that you're not taking a risk that it's got fentanyl in it or anything else. I mean, this is, you're hopefully able to buy a pure product that the government has the opportunity to inspect and from time to time, as they do, and not become a statistic because of a tainted product of some type. You're not going to get sick from anything you buy while you're trying to get better.
We followed the lead with cannabis, and we looked at the way it was built into the regulations that there would be guarantees of certain quality standards based on requirements put on the processors. So in this case, on our production licenses, we wanted similar requirements to make sure that if these objective, unambiguous conditions were met, that it would be very likely that the products would be safe, and if they weren't, that it would be easy to audit why.